Yep, like Gautam has known, we have been at it from 2010, theoretically. 2015 is when we got the first corporate client, the Tata Housing, telling us, okay, come over, manufacture a building for us. That was in 2016. So till 2016, it was a tech. The tech was called three-dimensional monolithic modular precast, a mouthful of words. In simple terms, can you manufacture this hall with one machine in about 3 or 4 days at the site and join them together, whatever time it takes to connect and do the plumbing work, etc. So that's what we do as manufacturers of buildings as a product. So, can a building be manufactured? If it can be manufactured, what is the product? Since 2016, we got into the market. We do have two products. One is some contractor comes and says, you know what, I will do the rest of the work. You just manufacture the building as rooms and give it to me. While he is doing the foundation, we take the machine, manufacture the building as rooms. And once he is ready with the foundation, we erect it, make the building. That's one. Two, sometimes people come and say, no, you do the entire thing. From digging the earth to manufacturing the building, to putting the mechanical, electrical, plumbing, to the fitting and finishing and doors and paints, whatever. All of that. So that is a building as a product. All this we do by using a tech called a methodology rather, called three-dimensional monolithic modular precast. Sorry, apologies. Can you just run the 1-minute video, please? I think there's a problem with the display. Yeah, as you can see there, we can manufacture it at your site. That is the machine which comes to the site. It's a remote control operated machine. Push the button, the doors open, put your regular reinforcement. Don't change the material at all. And once you put in, then you put your mechanical, electrical, plumbing, conduits, whatever has to go in, down to your wall boxes and everything. Let the concrete flow. As the concrete starts falling, the machine has a built-in way of vibrating and curing. Net by next day morning, each machine at your site gives out a room. Yeah. So this is what was a tech when we brought it in. Today it is available in India for different types of buildings. We have been delivering residential, institutional buildings, commercial buildings, the radar building for airports. The Bangalore airport has got a radar building now. So all manufactured at site, and this is how the machine looks. If you see the real machine, that's how it looks, and then the usual concrete, what we pour in any type of construction. That's what we do here. So this is a real image of how the concrete is poured, how the building is getting manufactured at site. So I'll wait for 10 more seconds so that to finish. So that's what we take out by next day morning. We pour in the evening. By next day morning, you check the strength of it. If it is 12 to 14 MPa, push the button, open the machine, hook the crane, pull it out. Yeah. It's tested, complied with all the national building codes. It is approved by Government of India and the National Building Code for all types of building, all heights of building, and in all seismic zones up to seismic zone 4. Sorry. That's about how do we install it, the details of structural connection and all that. We don't have time now to go into that, but it has all been studied and being done. You can see the buildings if you're traveling to Mumbai or any of the places. So that was a 5-story building, 33 days. This is a hall like this, 6 days of production. And that is the institutional complex for the new Goa airport. And yep. So like I said, yeah, it has got all the approvals from Government of India, etc. And one machine can give you, whether it is a single room or a multi-story building, all these pictures you see have been done, delivered, occupied in India. So this is the first one we did in India. The advantage is, you don't waste material. You don't use too much of water. You don't use timber, which is normally used extensively in construction. It is machine made. And you save time and material and money, etc., etc. Hence, indirectly sustainable, not yet regenerative, I suppose. So how do I bring the machine to your site? Just comes on 2 trailers, gets assembled. As long as you have a 60 feet by 60 feet 60 feet space at your site, you have your micro factory. We are not manufacturing the precast elements somewhere and transporting them to your site, which isn't really an effective way of doing it, definitely not sustainable. This is how we take it to the site. This is the first one we did in India, and this was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister. That gave us a lot of traction, and this was during COVID times. And this is a police station building, just to give you a flavor of what are the types of buildings that can be done. And this is a multi-story admin building, the open plan office, 20,000 square foot per floor plan, 2 machines, 110 days. This is being done in Bangalore now for Indian Air Force. This is 35 days, manufactured, erected near our Yashwantpur. So this is the building I was telling you, 7-story building. Those of you who are engineers here would enjoy this, because the footprint of this building is 500 square foot. The height of the building is the 7-story to carry a radar on its head with whatever movements and vibration, structural design by IIT, manufactured. This whole building manufactured, 1 machine, 14 days. So that's the speed, that is the quality we are able to deliver today. This is a 1-bedroom hall kitchen on a trailer. Actually, you are not able to see the trailer. We have hidden it with those yellow panels. It's about 96 hours with air conditioners and light and everything. You can just connect the bijli and connect water, ready to live. So this is something which we manufactured for ITC in Navi Mumbai, put on a trailer, sent to some place in Madhya Pradesh, about 700 kilometers. So today, the factory is a micro factory, it's mobile, it's portable. The building is also ready to use, portable. So this is where it all began, and Singapore, 40-story, 2017, same tech. From there we have come some distance, and that's it. Thank you.